ready to turn computer-generated melodies into cold, hard cash. Let's dive into how to make money with AI music. First, you'll need an AI music generator like Amper Music, Soundful, or even Google's Musicum. Once it's fully available, experiment with different platforms to find one that matches your style and desired quality. I recommend testing out free trials to start. Next, consider your distribution strategy. Platforms like DistroKid, TuneCore, and CD Baby will get your AI-generated songs onto major streaming services. YouTube is also a powerful option, especially for instrumental or ambient AI tracks. Now, monetization. On streaming platforms, you earn royalties per stream. For YouTube, enable monetization to earn ad revenue. Explore licensing your AI music for use in videos, games, or commercials. Several sites like Artlist, Epidemic Sound, and Pond5 are great options. Copyright is complex. While you can't copyright the AI itself, you can potentially copyright your unique arrangements, edits, and creative choices. Consult with a legal professional specializing in music law to ensure you're protected. Think beyond just the music. Create album art using AI image generators, sell merchandise, offer custom AI music creation services, or even build a Patreon community for exclusive content. Building a successful revenue stream takes time and effort. Promote your music online, engage with your audience, and continuously refine your craft. The AI music landscape is rapidly evolving, so stay informed, experiment, and never stop creating.